Welcome to JVP Equipment, manufacturer and exporter of building and construction machines. The company was established in 2005 at Coimbatore. Our qualitative and conscientious approaches help us to cater Asia and Africa. Timely delivery of consignments and diligent workforce make us the first choice of our clients. Our product list covers brick making, concrete, and paver block making machines. We are specialized in manufacturing concrete and paver block making machines. Our hand-operated concrete block making machines are class apart. Fly ash brick making machines offered by us are superior in performance. We also provide brick making machines that are acknowledged for their functionality. Along with that, we offer construction industry machines are well known for their durability and reliability. To get more information, log on at www.flyashbrickmakingmachines.com.